What's going on, family? I am working on a 2012 Ecotech Buick lacrosse. The alternator belt broke, and while my wife was driving down the freeway, and she still made it home, but the belt being broke, I think it hit something and causes some leaks. So now we got an oil leak somewhere. But I replaced the belt on there. I got it all up, and I wiped some of the oil off that was up here, which I see I still got a little piece right there. So I'm thinking something got hit down here because it's spraying just a little bit, as you see that. I don't know if you can see that good. So I'm up here now trying to figure out what's going on and exactly where it's coming from. So I'm kind of lost right now and where this oil is coming from. So it's Sunday, so I'm gonna have to wait to take it up there to the dealership where I got it from to get it lifted up. I'm hoping it just hit a hose or something simple, but it's dripping oil and it's coming from this side and it's kind of spraying up. So I'm wondering when that belt broke if it hit something, but I don't know, man. That's what I'm working on right now. I'm up here checking it out, trying to see what's going on. Like I say, whatever it is, I don't really think it's major. I hope it's not. But we need to find out what it is. So I'll be checking back in with y'all, find out what's going on.